SSK slip slip knit. In this video we will learn a left leaning decrease called SSK. So in this example I already did some rows with SSK, but let's start with just knitting a simple knit stitch, and we're going to decrease using the next two stitches. So it's going to be a left leaning decrease. So you can kind of see for the previous rows. So you insert the needle as if to knit and you slip the stitch. You insert the needle as if to knit and you slip the second stitch. So slip, slip. Now you insert left needle through the front and you don't move your right needle, and it stays in the back, and we're going to knit those two stitches through the back like so. And take it off the needle so you can clearly see how it's leaning to the left. So let's undo the stitches and do it again so you can see better. When you put the stitches back, I'm just making sure that they go in the right direction. So exactly where we were before. We're going to decrease using those two stitches, and it's going to be a left leaning decrease. So slip as if to knit, slip as if to knit, take the left needle and insert it through the back of the, through the front of the slipped stitches. Your right needle stays in the back, and we're going to knit through the back. So wrap the yarn around and knit through those two slipped stitches. See, it's leaning to the left. Let's keep knitting to the end of the row until we have 3 stitches left, and we are going to do a knit two together, which is a right leaning decrease. So right leaning decrease, knit two together, and SSK are basically mirror images of each other. So this is just a regular knit two together. So you see how it's leaning to the right. So SSK leans to the left and knit two together leans to the right. And we end this row with a knit stitch. So for the wrong side, we're just going to purl all stitches, and we will do another set of SSK and knit two together on the next row. So see here, you can kind of see like that nice little pattern with all the stitches leaning to the left, leaning to the right. So let's see again. Knit the first stitch, and here we're going to do SSK, slip slip knit. Insert the needle as if to knit, insert the needle as if to knit, so both knitwise. Take the left needle and put it through the front of those two slipped stitches, and we're going to knit them through the back. So wrap the yarn around and knit through the back like so. See how it starts leaning to the left right away. Let's go to the end of the row until we have 3 stitches remaining, and we'll do knit two together, which is a mirror image of SSK. So we have decreases going on each side. On the right side leaning to the left, and on the left side leaning to the right, so toward each other. So it looks nice and clean. And here I have another swatch where instead of starting with 2 knits, with 1 knit, I started the row with 2 knits. That's why it looks a little bit different, but you can clearly see the decreases on each side.